Hi guys, this is Jake here with another video. I'm gonna give you a little update on why I just went out and bought the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. GoPro is now doing a $1 million giveaway. It's not $1 million, it's $1 million divided by X amount of videos that they use. Say they pick 10 videos, they take the $1 million divided by 10, so then all 10 people will get $100,000 each, equal parts. So that's the reason why I went out, got the GoPro Hero 7, got the gold pole because Best Buy didn't have the longer GoPro one in stock. I got the floating handle as I do have a couple jet skis. So we'll see what kind of videos we could shoot this week. The contest is running till the beginning of December, so about a month or 2 months. So I suggest everybody out, go get yourself a GoPro Hero Black and let's start recording some good content, and good luck everybody. This is just a little video on why I decided to go get the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I just did an unboxing video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I'm going to charge this battery because it's only at 2%, and then I will do a review on the camera.